This is the Juvia's Place Vanessa palette, and I just created these two amazing eye looks for you guys. So if you love these looks, keep watching. Remember guys, help a girl out. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate it. Alright guys, let's get into it. Alright, so we're going to be playing with this palette right here today, and this is the Juvia's Place Vanessa palette, and I've had this for like a month or so and I haven't even touched it. So let's open this up. So this is what the palette looks like. Those colors are stunning. Wow. I'm wearing the perfect colors to go with this palette today. This is gorgeous. I can't wait. Okay, to start for my transition, I'm actually going to go in with a fluffy brush right here. And yes, your girl got her nails done. They're so cute, right? They're like shell inspired. So cute. So I'm going to actually go in with this shade right here called Busy, because I believe this will be a gorgeous transition shade. You guys know Juvia's Place are pigmented shadows. So I guess I'll start with this eye first. We're going to go into our crease. Oh, I love this color. This is beautiful. Love, love, love that color. Alright guys, let's talk about trends while I'm doing this. If you guys have questions, always leave me comments. I always write back. But when we're talking trends for this season, so as you guys know, we're coming off of basically all month long has been Paris Fashion Month, we're gonna say, not week. It's like a month. It's an ordeal, right? It is truly a religion. It is an ordeal. Love Fashion Week. Love it. Trends. These colors are completely on trend for the season. So you've got, you know, your corals, your greens, your purples, your deep, deep wine burgundy shades as well. Like these are the colors that are definitely going to bring you into like spring and then into summer, 100%. So you know what? Love this palette for that. Alright, so now that we're done with our transition shade, I actually moved that right up into my inner corner because I love that color so, so much. So I'm just blending that up into my inner corner all the way out. I really, really love that. Okay, so with that same brush, I'm actually going to go into this color right here called Stush, tapping that off. And I'm actually going to apply this on the center of my lid, bringing it to the outer V area. Okay, this is gorgeous. Love that color. Wow. Okay. This is beautiful. Alright guys, I'm actually going to go in and pick up a little bit more of that exact same Stush color because I want to deepen that up. I think it looks gorgeous, but we want just a little bit more of that punch. Alright, so I'm just deepening up that Stush color that we placed in the center of our lid all the way out to the outer V. This color is so phenomenal. This color is worth buying this palette for. Like this is so pretty. Ooh, it's so gorgeous. Okay, so now that we've deepened that up, I'm actually going to go in with a clean brush right here, and I'm just going to just gently, just small circles, and smudge out that line. We just want to diffuse it so it's not so intense. So far these colors are amazing. So reviewing it, I think it's beautiful. I'm actually going to go in with my ring finger right here. I'm going to pick up this color right here called Extra. Oh, that is a very beautiful like duochrome gold. I love that. So I'm actually going to place this in the inner corner. Oh, that's stunning. Love that. Okay, so I'm just going to go in, pick up more of that beautiful duochrome gold. And just bring that out to the center. That is stunning. Love, love, love that. Alright, so I'm actually going to go in with a very fluffy brush. I'm going to pick up some of this BSG color. I'm just going to pick up just a little bit on the tip of my brush because I actually just want to darken this up just a little bit right here. I actually like that. It's darkening it up, it's giving me that smoke that I'm looking for. Okay guys, this look is finished for now. I'll go in and apply the liner and lashes at the end of the video, but I'm going to go in now and do part 2. So we're actually going to take the same palette and do a completely different look on the other eye, so it shows you how versatile the palette is, so you guys get a picture of what kind of, you know, combinations you can put together. With a clean brush, I'm actually going to go into Busy again as our transition, and I'm just going to tap that off. And I'm just going to put that in my transition area. Once I have just a little bit of color right there, I'm actually just going to take a clean brush. I want like just a very light, very diffused look, so I don't want to put too much color in the transition. But I'm just going to diffuse out the color that we applied to our transition. That is looking phenomenal. I love that. Okay, so far, you guys, these colors are buttery and smooth and absolutely no fallout, and I think that's brilliant. Alright guys, I'm actually going to go in and pick up this beautiful shade right here called Aqua. So now that we have just a little bit of pigment on our brush, I'm actually going to put this, oh that's stunning. That is gorgeous. This matches my lipstick shade. Which guys, if you're wondering what it is, I will link it in the description along with every other product I've used on my face because I know you guys love that. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Alright, so I'm just bringing the color in towards that inner corner but not all the way. I'm going to blend this out. I wasn't going to, but now I am. So I'm actually just going to bring that up and blend that out just a little bit. I wasn't actually going to do a smoky eye, but not that it will be. I think it'll be more of a cut crease more than anything, but I'm actually going to go in with that same blending brush that we were using, and I'm just going to blend that out. That is so pretty. Wow. What I love about Juvia's place is that their palettes are one of the most pigmented I've tried. I love the brand. It's so inclusive, affordable, stunning. Doesn't take too long when you order it to like get shipped to you. Love that. Okay, so now that I have this beautiful berry color on my lid, which is so fire. Love that. Alright guys, I'm actually going to go in with concealer, and I'm actually going to pick up this one right here from NARS. And this is the color Light Chantilly. I am just going to apply that concealer to my inner corner, bringing that up and right down the lash line. Alright, so now that I've got that concealer on there, I'm just going to let that dry just for a quick second. Alright guys, I'm actually going to go in with my ring finger right here to this one, which is called Perfectionist. This looks like a beautiful shade. Yes, that is stunning. Love that. So I'm actually going to just pat that color on. Oh, that's pretty. Love that. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm just patting that color into that concealer. And now I'm going to take that same brush that we have been using for this whole tutorial, and I am just going to blend and diffuse those edges. Alright guys, that gives me a beautiful pink berry cut crease moment with shimmer to die for. Like, that is just absolutely gorgeous. Love that so much. I'm gonna go in, I'm going to apply my liner and my lashes, and I will be right back. Alright guys, to finish off my eye looks, yes, looks, because there are two of them. I actually went in and I applied these lashes right here, and it's called It's Lit by Lily Lashes, and I think these are phenomenal. For this orange brown taupey eye right here, I actually went in with this brown color from Too Faced, and this is an amazing liner. I love this one, it's one of my favorites. And this one is called Killer Liner by Too Faced, and I will link all the products in the description box down below. And for this one right here, I actually brought in that berry color just under my eye, and I applied this Dior Stilo 24-hour Dior Show Stilo liner. Alright guys, let's score this product. Starting with Fallout, the only color in here that gave me any trouble, and I did go in and use actually all 6 colors to create the 2 different eye looks, was this one right here in the center called Perfectionist. And I went in and I used that with my finger on this eye right here to do the inner corner, and I mean, this color is phenomenal because we went in and did that amazing cut crease. Well, we just made it brighter and lighter and gorgeous, and it's phenomenal. I love it. So that was the only one that gave me just the, like, I have to say, like 1% of fallout right here under my eye, and I just wiped it away, and that was it. Voila, perfect. So I'm actually gonna give it 9 out of 10. Next, application. This went on so buttery, so smooth, just amazing. I could go in with those shimmers with my ring fingers and just made it so phenomenal. It just made it pop, and it was so great. So 10 out of 10. So I'm just gonna swatch a bunch of these colors for you right here on my hand. Like, these are stunning. So pigmentation, 10 out of 10. Alright, this palette right here from Juvia's Place runs for $15, so this is $2.50 a shade, and these always go on sale, so definitely I think value is 10 out of 10 for something that is so pigmented and amazing. Definitely 10 out of 10. Giving this palette right here, the Vanessa palette by Juvia's Place, a final score of 39 out of 40. If you guys want to see more videos like this one right here, remember to hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, until next time, mwah, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye guys!